We are in a frozen food factory that produces dumplings. Packs pass through a combined metal detector and Checkweighher. We are testing the metal detector using a 1.2 millimeter ferrous test piece. The contamination is detected, and the pack is removed by the reject flap. This is the second inspection line, starting from a vertical form-fill-seal packaging machine, where frozen dumplings are portioned and packed. On the Checkweighher, the target weight is set to 1,000 grams, with an allowed tolerance of plus 40 grams. Any pack outside this range is automatically rejected.
Nord Systems, Inspection and Quality Control Marking Systems.